How this is saying creating with the heart. So I have a ton of stuff to share with you. This is my latest haul, and so I want to go ahead and get started because I do have a lot. First is my Spellbinders kits. I have not shared anything from Spellbinders in a while. I have been getting the kits. This is the foil, the glimmer foil. I'm going to be doing some projects with these. I need to pull these out and start playing with them, or destashing them, basically. Yeah, I just have so much stuff. This is the small die of the month, which is this, let's pull this out a little bit. This is the ornamental floral card creator. And then the alpha. Really liking the alpha. So you can, put florals on it and stuff. So there's that. That's my kit. And then moving on to, let's see. I don't know if I want to, what do I want to share? Let me share Mama Elephant. So Mama Elephant had a big clearance. I wish I had known about it sooner, because I got this Mermaid Kisses die and stamp set for $9.99. And I believe this was like $7.99 or something like that. So just really, really great prices. They were just kind of clearing them out. So I did get that. And then there was a very big sale on Simon Says Stamp. I think everything was like a couple of dollars. So I got this Christmas in the Country enamel charms. I think this is Christmas in the Country, Cream of Flowers. I got this Sister wreaths. Nothing was more than really a couple of dollars. Oh, I know that everything was, they were like 70% or 75% off. I think that's what it was. And it was very, very cheap. So a lot of things got sold out, and I was choosy with just trying to get things that I really did want. So I got those. I got this Polka Doodles poinsettia. And then I got this stamp and die. Simon Says Stamp and die. And then I was able to get this one, Lawn Fawn. I might have this one. And this Paper Smooches. So really, really good prices on that. I could not say no to that. I also got picket fences. I got an order. So picket fences, they had like a discount. Now I can't remember what it was, but it's been a while because with the holiday and then going on vacation. So I got this lemon stamp set. I got this mermaid stencil. I also got this mermaid stamp set. I got these sequins. And I'm trying out their paper glaze. So I got the white. I'm sure it's got a name. I don't know what the name is. Snowdrop White. And then I also got this one, which is Fern Green. So I got that. And let's see, from Joggles. So I haven't really ever bought anything from Joggles. So I did, because I saw some things that I was really interested in. So I got this stamp set. It's a Polka Doodles. I'm sorry, it's a stencil. It's a Polka Doodles stencil. So I got that to try. And then some other things. I got this stencil. And then I got this Polka Doodles stamp set. And then these little mushrooms. And then these flowers. And some other things that I got to try out something new in my life. I got this die. And it makes a super cute book. So I'll have to show you guys how that looks, but I'm going to try out some different things. And then this is Studio Light, art by Marlene, die cut blocks. So it has these little blocks that you could cut out and just put mini little art journal and play with. So I thought that might be fun to do some different things, some little art. I got 2 of them to play with. I thought that'd be something different. And I was inspired by another YouTube person. So when I do some projects with it, I'll link to that. And here's some, some things that you could just put on your art journal. So I got all of that, and that I purchased from Top Flight Stamps. So I'm excited to try that stuff. And then let's do this one, which is Doodlebugs store. I do buy from them quite a bit. Let's see here. Yeah, I did glue this from there. Okay, so let's get started with that. So I got the glue. With them, I think if you spend $25, then you have free shipping. So I got the Nuvo glue pen because I always use that. I got this super cute Suns Out stamp set and die. And then I got this really fun sort of jungle / underwater die. It's called Tropical Scenes by Sunny Studio. So excited about that. Oh, also from Joggles, I forgot, I got these sprays, shimmer sprays. So I got some sprays to try out. I do have sprays, but I wanted to try these ones. So I got some Dilution sprays to try. So I'm excited to delve into some new things. And then, oh, a couple more things I got from Top Flight. I almost forgot these 2 items, which also are from Top Flight. They were buried under my, I don't know what this. This is from Honeybee Stamps. So I really, 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 really loved their new release. So if you spent $75, then you got a freebie. If you spent $100, then you got the die. And so the die is super special with this one because it can make a little bikini for your bee so she can be really rocking. It's adorable. So what I got. So I got this one, which is Wish You Were Here stamp set, which I thought was cute. I think these go together. This is Sea Breeze and the die. I love that. I got this pineapple and the die. And then I got the die that goes with this one. The only problem I find is when the stamp sets are big, they don't fit in my stamp container thingy. Then I gotta find another place to store them. But I shouldn't complain because this is chock full of fun things. This would be a really fun, I think, perfect for slimline. Give yourself more space to work. This is called Hello Summer, even though summer is almost over. I do love that. And then in here, I got a couple of things. I got a couple of sequin mixes just because I thought they were pretty. I got this Hot Tropics one and this Beach Vibes one. And so that is my haul. It's pretty big, so I'm kind of slowing down, except for a few things here and there. I need to slow down and work on what I have. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying the Heart.